Hey friends, this is Raju. In this video we will explore what happens when you try to use a regular list in parallel code and why it is important to use thread shape collection like ConcurrentBag when working with async parallel loop in C#. So we will walk through two short examples. First, a failure case using list in parallel, then the correct way using ConcurrentBag. Let's dive in. So here is a simple parallel for each async loop. It's using 1 to 500 range. Okay, so it has 500 records. So loop trying to add items into the standard list of integer. Okay, so since list is not thread shape, you will often run into an exception or incorrect result, means data loss kind of thing. Okay, so that is the reason in after for each loop I added numbers count of collection of list of integers, so we can know how much data we are lost. So let's run this program. So you can see it's 490, so 10 records we lost. So list is not thread shape, that is the reason it's a data losses issue. Suppose we want to stick with the list object in parallel for each. Okay, so before add item into the list we have to use lock. So I added lock, so now it's thread shape. Okay, so let's run. So now see, count is 500. So now if we want to use list in parallel for each, we have to make sure we uses lock before add item into the list. Okay, so other best approach is using ConcurrentBag. So let's take a look at code. So now I added ConcurrentBag instead of list. So ConcurrentBag uses system.collection concurrent namespace. So now it is a thread shape. Code remains same, whatever previously we saw in list. Okay, just I replace list of integer with ConcurrentBag. ConcurrentBag collection allows multiple threads to safely add item without needing lock. Okay, so now let's this program. See, we get 500 records, count exact match. To summarize, when working with parallel task or parallel for each async, never use a plain list, means without lock. Plain list means without lock. Okay, either use ConcurrentBag or apply a locking mechanism with the list. So thanks for watching. I hope this clears up some confusion about thread safety in C#. Let's write safe and scalable code together. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.